Hello, Susie Kings, and hello, Susie Queens. This is your WWE YouTube World Sushi Hero Champion up the world. And you can acknowledge me. I say, hey, I'm not Susie Buffet. And I am your Strapper Susie. Alright, guys, welcome back to another big review today here, guys. So today is actually my mom's birthday. So she's now turning 58. So let me see the comments below because give her some birthday wishes. It makes her my mom is still the queen of this house. So guys, we need no thoughts on it. So guys, we need you guys to support my mom. Come on. What's going on? First of all, this title is really high. Thank you so much for doing that. Keep on subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, and liking, and post on the notifications. Because I want you guys to do the same things on this area. Give me going, give me a black and positives and money. So we need your love, please. And my second channel is climbing. I got $50 left to wait. And I want you guys to keep this channel some love on that channel as well. And also positives, money, and a black. So guys, we need you guys to keep that channel really high. Please. We need your love, please. I want to give it even because I want this two channels go really high. If I will convince my parents if I give this two channels really high, that I can be a third channel in my room doing level reactions on music videos or that kind of stuff, media product sale. So I want that going to happen. Please comment below. Come on, we need some love. Please. Please, please. So into this video here. So we got beef body soup made by my dad. So yeah, the beer amazing. And let's go use Mrs. The food. I thought I was doing that. I guess ready? Let's head. Alrighty. Some soup. What's a very kind of soup? Let me see the comments below. My favorite soup, Olive Garden, they have wedding soup. That's my favorite soup at Olive Garden, by the way. So see, yeah, this is this. And some bread. So see, yeah, this is this. Mm. 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 So good. Mm. And that is it, guys, here. What's going on today? I still editing my stuff. I'm gonna start off NXT to the episode where I come back here. And then continuing there was old Perry's and do my thing. And yeah, I'm telling you, and then I was in the silent music this time on Weepy. Dude, silent music. I love that movie because, dude, it's 1938 and it's really old. And yeah, so was a very movie slash TV show on Disney Plus. Let me see the comments below. And guys, I'm signing off. So you can find my platforms, and then with that, we can possibly go see how to get Sushi channel. Sushi, yeah, Sushi Hawaii, Sushi Hard, Sushi today, Sushi can immediately die. Sushi happens to miss now, and 4 letters, 1 word, yeet is what you have to do for life. What a day, we are out.